Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick sketch of the Star Wars character Kylo Ren. Now when I mean Kylo Ren, we do not mean to draw the face. We're drawing the face but with that iconic helmet on. So we'll get our X shape going right like this. We will get an arc going like this, and as you might have guessed that this is the hooded style. We will first put the hood around. No particular method there, but I have just gone and done the usual hood like that. And then we concentrate inside on the mask. So let's put in 1, 2, 3. Try to keep them even. I mean, mine might be a little rough because I'm going very fast about this. 4. And then right here in the middle we'll put in a set of eyes like so. Right from here onward we will put in let's actually have that first again. Right along those lines, 2 more curves to keep everything flowing in that proportion. Okay, so this is almost complete in the sense that that is the primary design. Now around here is where there are the extra details that come in. So this basically becomes that comes down, and behind that hood that will go necessarily into that one, and so forth. And then there's a whole lot of stuff going on here. And similarly over here, first let's just put down that, and then just end it there because only so much is visible from that angle. And then of course his face, and there's a plate at the back there. So I have drawn him with a hood, and if you need to do a quick sketch, that is essentially the easier way to go about it. And to round off, of course, we will need some of that. So there we have it. That is essentially the sketch of Kylo Ren. And now please do Google some images and check out the colors and the contrast. Is mostly black with some silver. This is silver, those lines are silver, the rest is pretty much black. So please check out different media in which he's been portrayed, and I think you can have a lot of fun drawing this cool design.